What's up, guys? It's Mike here, the Smokin Monkey. Welcome back to the vlog. And we're out here today because I want to give you guys an update on Suzy here. I'm going to be doing a dyno test and tune, which I was supposed to do 2 weeks ago, but I started speaking with someone that works on motorcycles, and they informed me that you should probably run a few tanks of gas through the system just so that it gets used to the slip-on. It actually tries to regulate itself and see how well the bike does of regulating itself. So we'll see after about, well, I'm almost done this tank. This is my second tank after filling it up, after killing the tank full of fuel stabilizer, because I needed to do that before I went on the dyno. But this is my second tank of fresh gas. I'm gonna go put in another tank and probably go put it on the dyno later this week. But it's running pretty good. It's actually running really smooth. I'm not having any issues. It idles well. It doesn't popcorn or backfire when I'm downshifting. Yeah, like basically you just get a really loud exhaust note, and that's about it. There's not much difference. I do have a little bit less power in the low end, but that's understandable because it breathes a little bit better. There's not as much back pressure, but I do find that my shift points are the same on every gear. I don't have to really stretch the gears more to get the same amount of power out of it. I still have full range. Like, I don't have to get into third gear just to keep going the same speed I used to be going in second gear, if that makes any sense to you guys. Like, I don't have to stretch it out. Everything rides fine. So yeah, basically I'm gonna go and do the dyno test either this week or next week, depending on the weather, because it's been raining a lot here for some reason. This year is really cold. Like, it's mid-June right now, and it should be a lot warmer. Like, I'm out here in the jacket still, but it is what it is. At least I get to get out here. And the other thing that I wanted to update you guys on for my SV650 is the frame sliders. So far so good. They're great. I haven't had to use them or put them to the test, but the thing is, I keep smashing my shins on them every time I go to stop the bike and pull up at a light or something. I don't know if it's just me or if you guys have had that issue too. Let me know. Maybe there's something I can be doing different. I don't know what the hell, but I got long legs, man. Whenever I go to stop, I always fucking hit that shit, and it's becoming a pain in my leg. I was gonna say pain in my ass, but I've got bruises all over my shin from this bastard. Oh no, slow down. I hope you guys like this this road out here. I picked a nice little windy trail or route so that you guys can see just how beautiful it is out here in the summertime. It's not fully summer yet, but we're getting there. And that brings me to the other topic of, I'm going to be doing a couple videos for you guys coming up, maybe before the dyno test, I'm not sure, because I've been finding a lot of really cool riding spots, and I want to share them with you guys. I want to show you guys some awesome roads and some cool spots, some cool views. And if that's something that you guys are interested in, let me know. I'm going to be posting a couple of those videos, but let me know if that's something that you guys want to see, or if you guys just want me to keep doing mods and things like that. Because definitely, I'm happy to do either or, but yeah, something different. And I did recently purchase a drone, so I'm going to be getting you guys some nice shots. You guys can see the road from above. You guys will be able to see the entire area and like kind of the way that the road is set up for the few spots that I'll be showing you in my next coming videos. And hopefully you guys can give me some suggestions. Maybe there's some roads that you guys want me to check out here in Southern Ontario, go make a video of, go do a ride down, whatever. But that's it for today's video, guys. I'm going to try to keep it a little bit shorter. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, thank you for watching. Leave me a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. There's more videos coming at you guys soon. And until next time, ride safe out there, guys. Peace.